हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू गेट मैथ्स। आज के वीडियो लेक्चर में हम स्टडी करेंगे डेरिवेटिव ऑफ ए फंक्शन के बारे में। ठीक है, तो डेरिवेटिव किसी भी फंक्शन का होता क्या है, सबसे पहले हम ये डिस्कस करेंगे और उसके बाद कुछ स्टैंडर्ड फंक्शंस के डेरिवेटिव को लिखेंगे यहाँ पे। तो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ ए फंक्शन इज़ नथिंग बट it is the instant rate of change of a function and it is denoted by d by dx of fx. Suppose we have a function y is equal to fx. अगर हम x के अंदर थोड़ा सा कोई चेंज प्रोड्यूस करें और वो चेंज इतना स्मॉल हो जितना आप इमेजिन कर सकते हो, means delta x tending to 0, then corresponding change will be occur in the y in the form of y plus delta y. Then y plus delta y will become f of x plus delta x. If we want to know what is the change produced in the y when x changes to x plus delta x, then the original function will be subtracted from the changed function. After reducing this function, y will be cancelled out and delta y is equal to f of x plus delta x minus fx. As we know that delta x tending to 0 but not exactly equal to 0, it means we can divide both sides by delta x. X plus delta x minus f of x upon delta x. This is called average rate of change of y with respect to x. Average rate of change of y with respect to x. Now as we know that delta x tending to 0 but delta x exactly not equal to 0, it means if we take limit on both sides, then we can write it like this: limit delta x tending to 0, delta y upon delta x is equal to limit delta x tends to 0, f of x plus delta x minus f of x upon delta x, and this is called instant rate of change of y with respect to x, or it is known as derivative of y with respect to x. Limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus fx upon h, where delta x is equal to h. This is a small change, or it is called instant rate of change of y with respect to x. and it is called derivative of y with respect to x. This dy upon dx is called derivative of y with respect to x. This is the basic definition of derivative of a function. Okay, now ज्योमेट्रिकल मीनिंग समझने की कोशिश करते हैं कि व्हाट इज द ज्योमेट्रिकल मीनिंग ऑफ डेरिवेटिव ऑफ ए फंक्शन. बेसिकली डेरिवेटिव ऑफ ए फंक्शन इज नथिंग बट इट इज द लिमिटिंग case of the secant. As you know, the secant is a line which intersect a curve at two distinct points. Suppose we have a function like y is equal to fx, and this is the curve over here, and this is the secant. This is the secant. This is point P, this is point Q, and this is the point A. If we approach point Q towards A, the limiting case of this secant will become like this. It will behave as a tangent. In the same way, we can approach point P towards the A. It will also behave just like a tangent. So we can say that if PQ tending towards 0, then the secant PQ will behave as a tangent, and this is the rate of change of this function at the point A. Okay, this is the limiting case. Now some standard derivatives. First, derivative of x raised to the power n. Result is nx raised to the power n minus 1. Derivative of a raised to the power x. Result is a raised to the power x into log of a, where a is greater than 0 or it is real positive constant. If we replace in this formula a by e, then it will become derivative of e ki power x. Result is e ki power x into log e. As we know that the value of log e is equal to 1, then it will become e raised to the power x, as we know that the value of log e is equal to 1. Fourth one, derivative of log x. Result is 1 upon x. Fifth one, derivative of sin x. Result is cos x. Sixth one, derivative of cos x. Result is minus sin x. Seventh one is derivative of tan x. Result is sec square x. Derivative of cot x. Result is minus cosec square x. Next is derivative of sec x. Result is sec x into tan x. Derivative of tan x. Result is sec square x. Derivative of cosec x. result is minus cosec x into cot x. Derivative of cot x, result is minus cosec square x, और derivative of constant, its result is equal to 0. तो ये कुछ स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्मूलेज थे आपके जो आपने प्रीवियस क्लासेस यानी कि क्लास 11th में ऑलरेडी स्टडी किए थे. इनको हम यूज़ करेंगे फॉर सॉल्विंग द प्रॉब्लम बेस्ड ऑन द डेरिवेटिव. ओके, देयर आर सम रूल्स लाइक डेरिवेटिव ऑफ f plus minus g, whatever may be the sign between f and g, it may be positive, it may be negative, then the result is derivative of function f plus minus whatever may be the derivative of function g. Next is derivative of c into f, where f is a function of x. Okay, then the result is c derivative of function of x. Next is derivative of 1 upon c times f of x, and the result is 1 upon c derivative of f. Now there is a product rule. Product rule. If we have two functions in the form of product, like first function, second function, then the derivative of this product is first function as it is derivative of second plus second function as it is derivative of first. This is the product rule. If we have three functions in the product, say first, second, third, the result is second and third function as it is, and we will do the derivative of first, plus, always plus, first and third function as it is, and we will do derivative of second function. In the similar way, now first and second function as it is, now we will do derivative of third function. मतलब ये है कि अगर हमारे तीन फंक्शन प्रोडक्ट में रखे हुए हों, उनका डेरिवेटिव हमें निकालना हो, सबसे पहले हम फर्स्ट फंक्शन का डेरिवेटिव करेंगे, सेकंड और थर्ड को एज इट इज रखेंगे, सेकंड नंबर के ऊपर सेकंड का डेरिवेटिव करेंगे, फर्स्ट और थर्ड को एज इट इज रखेंगे, और थर्ड में हम थर्ड का डेरिवेटिव करेंगे, फर्स्ट और सेकंड को एज इट इज रखेंगे. यानी कि बारी बारी से सबको करना है. सबसे पहले हम फर्स्ट का करेंगे, जब फर्स्ट का करेंगे तो सेकंड और थर्ड एज इट इज़ होगा, जब हम सेकंड को डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे तो फर्स्ट और थर्ड एज इट इज़ होगा, और जब हम थर्ड को डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे तो फर्स्ट और सेकंड हमारा एज इट इज़ होगा. तो याद करने का एक आसान तरीका है, ये प्रोडक्ट रूल था. और इसके बाद कोसेंट रूल की अगर हम बात करें, तो ये रूल ये कहता है कि भाई अगर हमारा कोई फंक्शन न्यूमरेटर अपॉन डिनोमिनेटर की फॉर्म में हो और इसको डिफरेंशिएट करना हो, तो रिजल्ट कहता है डिनोमिनेटर का होल स्क्वायर, डिनोमिनेटर एज इट इज, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ न्यूमरेटर माइनस, हमेशा माइनस आएगा ध्यान रखना, न्यूमरेटर एज इट इज डेरिवेटिव ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर। तो ये कुछ रूल्स थे जिनको हम फॉलो करेंगे फॉर फाइंडिंग द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ ए फंक्शन। ओके।